In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to resize your page to an A4 layout in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva and navigate over to the project that you would like to change the layout for. Now, once you're inside the Canva editor, look over to the top left options where you find home, file, resize, and the current status. And you want to click on resize. And when you do this, you'll be presented with a search bar. Now, you want to click into the search bar and type in A4. And when you do this, you will find a list of different document dimensions that you can resize to. So you can either resize it to being an A4 landscape, or you can choose an A4 portrait document layout. So I'm going to go with this one. And once you select it, you can either copy and resize it, or you can resize this design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on resize this design. And when you do that, Canva will resize your design. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or you struggled in any way during the process, please feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below and I will respond to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.